We're here in Santa Rosa in Oakmont and just want to give a walkthrough of this new landscape installation we did for a complete front and backyard here. So starting out here in the front, we reshaped this front yard. There's an existing old lawn and old entryway, and we came in and installed a new lawn with some subsurface planting and just some nice low maintenance plantings here. So we've got a little hedge. We relocated some existing little ollies along this edge here. And then we've got a Japanese maple and a redbud in the front here. Coming up through the front steps, all this paving material was custom concrete pavers by Stepstone. So this is this beautiful wet cast light sandblast paver material. And offsetting that, we've got some FX Luminaire pathway lights and accent lighting for trees and for the front entry retaining wall. So we can see these retaining walls have a stucco finish and then stepstone cap. And here we've got a little cedar screen there that's kind of giving a little bit of privacy for this front entryway. So we've got kind of an exterior foyer type of layout with, they've got a front overhead covering here. And then we've got this nice entryway patio where they have a little seating area. And then we put some new porcelain tile here on the front entrance and then also at the back, and we'll take a little look at that. And then connecting us through, we've got some stepstone, 2x3 stepping stones here, and then some Mexican pebble that lead us around to the backyard. For the back, off of each side, we've got some knotwood. So these are some knotwood metal fence system that we installed at the front and back, and that's to satisfy the new fire requirements for Oakmont that don't want any wood coming against the residents here. So we've got that nice black finish aluminum there. And then heading in the backyard, we've got some acid washed dark concrete here, and then some nice little area of some roses and some lomandra and two cream ground cover here along the edge. And then in the back corner we have a Wilson's olive in the back, offsetting this planter with some more Mexican pebble. And then what we did in the backyard is redid this whole back with a new patio space and new porch. So it used to be the porch was just under the covered section here, and we expanded that out, and then we put a new long linear planter here, and that's going to be their main vegetable gardening area. Let's get some good sun here in the back. And then offsetting that, we put in some new hog wire panel fencing to give them some transparency to the creek, and then some new redwood perimeter fencing that takes us around to the into the front side here. So we can see this nice porcelain tile that we have here, and then we expanded back with some more stepping stones here in the backyard. And then covered up by that cover is a nice little fire pit and seating area here in the corner. We also did a little bit of retrofitting to this existing fence. There was some weak fence posts, so we came in with some metal support posts and shored this up with some fence drawing along this side, and then we have another connecting walkway heading out to the front yard. So that's a little overview of this complete front and backyard here in Santa Rosa in Oakmont.